After watching our video episode about the Crypto.com Beginner's Guide, let's go ahead and discover how the application works. In this video episode, we will analyze how a customer can create an account inside the app, make a purchase not only by using a credit or debit card but also by using bank transfer, and finally sell some coins of one cryptocurrency for another. Creating a Crypto.com app account. Crypto.com provides two separate registration procedures, one from the web-based exchange and a second from the developed app. Anyone that would like to use them both has to register separately. Creating an account through the app is the most comfortable procedure for the two. Just fill your personal information and verification of your identity would be requested, which would include your full legal name, your identity and a selfie to verify your identity. Firstly, you need to install the app on your phone either by using the App Store or by using a photo of the QR code from Crypto.com, that eventually will open your App Store to install the app. We provide you with an easier way to do this by using our affiliate link down to the description below. Using our link and you can earn $25 worth of CRO tokens. Secondly, you will be asked for your email address for the confirmation email to be sent afterwards. Thirdly, the app would ask you to enter your phone number to send you a verification code to verify. Fourthly, you would be asked to enter your full name, identity number and finally a selfie to complete the verification procedure. Afterwards, you should wait up until 2 to 3 business days for the verification to complete, and you will get a notification that will state that your verification is approved. Making a purchase using the Crypto.com app. At this point, the registration procedure is over, and with the approval of the verification, you can proceed and buy your first cryptocurrency. There are two methods to complete the purchase, one is by using a credit or debit card, and the second is by using bank transfer. We prompt you to use a credit or debit card for quick purchasing. Let's assume you would like to complete your purchase by using a credit or debit card. Firstly, open the Crypto.com app and select your payment currency. You can choose between the US dollar, British pound, euro and Singapore dollar. Secondly, select the cryptocurrency that you would like to purchase. Thirdly, you are prompted to add a credit or debit card for quick purchasing. Filling all the details, you are ready to complete your purchase. An important note is that the card should have the same name as the full legal name you used to set up the account. At this final step, you can complete your purchase by selecting the amount of the cryptocurrency you choose and proceed with a confirmation. Also, you would find verification of your transaction at your email provided. So the whole procedure is simple and straightforward. Now let's assume you would like to complete your purchase by using bank transfer. Firstly, open the Crypto.com app and select your payment currency. You can choose between the US dollar, British pound, euro and Singapore dollar. Secondly, select the cryptocurrency that you would like to purchase. Thirdly, select fiat wallet as the purchase method. By filling all the details, you are ready to complete your purchase. At this final step, you can complete your purchase by selecting the amount of the cryptocurrency that you choose and proceed with a confirmation. Also, you would find verification of your transaction at your email provided. Selling crypto using the Crypto.com app. Let's assume you have some cryptocurrencies available inside the app and you would like to sell them to take some other cryptocurrency. Firstly, you need to open the app from your phone and look for the sell button. By pressing it, your sell procedure begins. Secondly, you select the cryptocurrency and the amount of it you would like to sell. Afterwards, you select the new cryptocurrency you would like to purchase to proceed with the exchange. Finally, you can proceed with a confirmation and the exchange should have done, selling one cryptocurrency for the other. Also, you would find verification of your trade at your email provided. Thank you for your time, and if you enjoyed this video episode, hit the like button below. If you would like to learn more about the technology behind cryptocurrencies and how to use them, be sure to hit that subscribe button below, because more video episodes are coming.